Hello friends. So today I decided that I'll give a update in a slightly different format. So I'm just going to focus on these two images, which are the satellite images. This is the IR image and this is the water vapor image. I'm going to talk about two things. One is the winter weather and also uh, the rain prospects for South India. So as you can see, the winter has set in many places in North India, Central India, and also the west coast of India. Temperatures were seen reaching single digits in many places, and that was mainly because of the jet stream, which was the subtropical and the polar jet stream, which kind of dipped down to lower levels and bringing cold air along with it. And if you can see this water vapor image, then you can see that there's a trail of moisture which is there, which is the cold air and kind of snowfall it is showing. That had led to cool weather or cold weather in many parts of central India. And now, for the next 1 or 2 days, it is going to warm up because the jet stream will slightly move upwards. But then, after November 15th or so, the Diwali weekend, it is again going to dip down. So, after a couple of days of slight respite, starting from Monday, again the cold weather is going to come back to northern India and central India and also west coast of India, including Mumbai and other parts. So, what is expected in the next 1 week is that the cold weather is going to persist and winter is going to be slightly harsher than normal. For November is going to face maybe some wintry days which will be below normal temperatures, minimum temperatures especially will be seen, and that is especially attributed to the dipping down of the jet stream. And I think November 20 to 22 we should be on watch for some cold weather for the central region, including the west region, so Gujarat and Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, those places will especially see some very cold weather. So that is something what I am that is what I am predicting. And so that is the winter part of this update. Now coming to the um, rainfall, the northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon, I don't know, has been not very active, kind of a little bit disappointing so far. A lot of There's massive deficit of around 47% so far for Tamil Nadu, which is one of the major beneficiaries of this northeast monsoon. And the onset although has happened, but the kind of monsoonish rains are missing. The, the main reason was because the MJO was not able to come to the Indian Ocean, and there was a lot of activity in the maritime continent. But now the MJO has moved out from the maritime continent and has reached Africa. So it's in phase one. Phase 2 and phase 3 are beneficial for Indian Ocean, and also it is seen in the less number of or lower cloudiness or not much moisture in the maritime continent. So that does indicate that MJO has finally moved out after staying there for a very long time. So now the South China Sea, places around South China Sea can breathe some respite because they have been hit by typhoon after typhoon or strong systems after systems. So now they can breathe, they get a breather. But that doesn't mean that the MJO will be very active over Indian Ocean, because the Indian Ocean temperature itself is not very conducive. Uh, the, the the South Indian Ocean is warmer, whereas the North Indian Ocean is not as warm as it should be. So MGO, even if it moves in, it is not going to be very in an active phase because it will not have a very good coupling with the atmosphere because of the ocean not providing enough heat. And secondly, the Rossby wave and Kelvin wave action is also not very strong, although there is a Rossby wave moving towards the west. But the Rossby wave moving towards the west uh, means that there will be some warm water which will be moving here. That means a Kelvin wave, a cold upwelling Kelvin wave, which will bring a cold water, will move towards Sumatra. So that means that Bay of Bengal is not going to be in a very favorable condition to produce a strong MJO. So even if the MJO moves towards the East Indian Ocean, it will remain in a weak phase, is what I feel, especially because of the ocean state that we are seeing currently. All right. So now, as you can see, not much activity over the North Indian Ocean, but South Indian Ocean is seeing some more cloudiness is there. That is the reason why NEM has not picked up, and still a lot of expectation is there, but disappointment is what I would say is has been seen so far, and even the next few days doesn't seem very promising. But again, things could change. But so far, looking at the dynamics, it seems like it's not northeast monsoon uh, active phase. There may be bursts of active phase, but a continuous or sustained active phase is not seen. Okay, so that is what I wanted to say. So in conclusion, winter weather will be back after a couple of days of slight warmish weather. But again, November 16th onwards, the cold weather will be back to many places in interior India. So we should be on the watch for that. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel for more weather updates, and have a great Diwali. And last thing I want to say is, because of the wintry weather, the air quality may be poor, so just take precaution and have a safe festival season. Take care. Bye.